finding beauty in the broken, trusting promises you've spoken.
We're just a few weeks away from our third Devoted conference, so ladies, if you haven't got your tickets yet, why not? You need to pick them up today. They're going to cost you £20, and that includes a whole day of teaching and your lunch and refreshments as well. Buy one for a friend or a family member as well, why not? You can get them today before or after the service, and you can get them via our website or on Exchange as well.
Shadows in the sunlight, when our worries overtake us.
Our Friday weekly programmes for children and young people, that's Noah's Ark, G-Force and 180, have been taking a break throughout the summer, then they've just got one more week of break before they start back on the 14th of September. We hope to see you all again at those lovely programmes.
You are always with us, everywhere we are, it goes on and on.
Connect groups are a great opportunity for you to get to know some people here at church a little bit better and study the word together in someone's home as well. They take place on various different days and different times as well, and we'd love you to get connected into one of those groups. You can do that by speaking to one of our welcome team or by signing up on the website or via Exchange as well. So they're relaunching this week. Get connected in. It would be great for you to join us at the start of this new academic year.
We are not forgotten, we are not alone, plans to lead.
The new year of our Next Level Bible Studies is starting off this Saturday. So if you'd like to come along and get stuck into the Bible, get some really good Bible teaching, then come along this Saturday from 10 a.m. till 12 p.m. and get yourself stuck into those Bible studies.
Lead home into your heart, you are always with us, everywhere we are, it goes on, your love will never stop, shining down upon us.
That's everything for Excel News this week. Remember, you can check out our website excelchurch.org.uk, or you can speak to our welcome team if you want more details about anything that's going on here. Have a great week.